Hello once again. Today is the 16th of December. It's a Sunday and it's about 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm taking some pictures of these chemtrails. These are actually chemtrails. They have dispersed themselves and they look like clouds. That's how they're doing them these days. Trying to convince people that they're not chemtrails and they're just cloud formations. On Google there's all kinds of information about different types of cloud formations. All of a sudden, you know, they're trying to explain away these chemtrails. Now I saw these when they were first laid down this morning. They looked like, of course, you know, contrails. These are chemtrails. And like I said, they look more like the conventional chemtrail this morning, but now they're dispersing. So we're going to move in on them a little bit. Look at that. Wispy, very wispy. They're getting real fancy with these. And they keep expanding out. So by the time these are done expanding, they're gonna look just like Overcast. Look at that. It goes way beyond this tree, but I can't get to that view. Okay, that's it for this video. Have a nice day.